In a small village lived a boy named Ali. He was 10 years old and came from a poor family. His father was a farmer, and his mother worked in the fields. Though they had little money, Ali had big dreams. She wanted to become a doctor to help the sick in his village. Ali walked 5 kilometers to school every day, even without proper shoes. He wasn't the top student, but he was the most hardworking. Some classmates laughed at his torn clothes, but he never let that break his spirit. One day, the school announced a science competition. The winner would get a scholarship. Ali was excited, but his parents couldn't afford materials for the project. Still, Ali didn't give up. He collected old wires, boxes, and bottles to build a model of a water cleaning machine, hoping it could help villages like his. At the competition, others had fancy projects. Ali's looked small and simple. Some students laughed, but when he explained it, the judges were impressed. He didn't win first prize, but he received a special award for creativity and purpose. A local news channel shared his story. A kind doctor saw it and offered to pay for Ali's education. Ali studied hard for years. Sometimes he wanted to quit, but he remembered his dream. Eventually, he became a doctor and returned to his village to open a small clinic, treating poor people for free. One day, a young boy came with a cut on his foot. After Ali treated him, the boy asked, "Dr. Sahib, how did you become a doctor?" Ali smiled and said, "I never gave up.